Today I will tell you about two things as I promised. First, ribosome and second, centrosome. Ribosome. Ribosome is a smallest non-membrane bounded two subunit protein synthesizing organelle of the cell. It is found in both prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Those ribosomes which are made up of larger subunit named 50S and a smaller subunit named 30S, they are called 70S ribosome. Similarly, those ribosomes which are made up of larger subunit 60S and a smaller subunit 40S, they are called 80S ribosome. In both prokaryote and eukaryote, 70S ribosome are present, but 80S ribosome is only present in eukaryotic cell. On the basis of location, there are two types of ribosome which are named free ribosome and membrane bound ribosome. Free ribosome. Free ribosome, also called cytoplasmic ribosome, that are present within cytoplasm of the cell freely. Free ribosome produces protein that are used inside the cell itself. Membrane bound ribosome. Membrane bound ribosome are those ribosomes which are attached to the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. It produces protein that are to be exported from cell to be used elsewhere. In eukaryotic cell, free ribosome is actually 80S ribosome. In eukaryotic cell, membrane bound ribosome is actually 70S ribosome. In prokaryotic cell, membrane bound ribosome is absent. In prokaryotic cell, only free ribosome is present, and that free ribosome within the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell is actually 70S ribosome. Now come on centrosome. Like ribosome, centrosome is also non-membrane bounded organelle. Centrosome is found just near to the nucleus. Centrosome is not found in bacteria or plant cell. Centrosome is only found in animal cell. Centrosome function in microtubule organization and in regulation of cell division. Centrosome is made up of two centriole and one pericentriolar material. In centrosome, the two cylindrical shaped centrioles are located perpendicularly to each other. Both the two centrioles are surrounded by a amorphous protein matrix which is named as pericentriolar material. In the next lecture video, I will tell you about endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. Thanks.